are fascinating creatures. They can swim up to speeds of 40 kilometers per hour, dive up to depth of 180 meters, and they can... Pedro, I'm trying to tell everyone here how amazing you are. What's going on, Rachel?
Pedro says he's upset with you.
Upset with me? Why? What did I do?
He said you forgot to mention something very important about him.
Something important? Oh my God, Pedro, I'm so sorry. You see, guys, I forgot to mention that sea lions are very intelligent, and especially Pedro over here is good looking. Look at him, all shy now. What a teeny boy, right? But right about now, we are gonna see how strong his flippers are with a flipper stand. And that is about 200 kilograms right up those two front flippers. One more time, Pedro. There we go. Now, did you know that sea lions are often mistaken for another animal called the true seal? Now, true seal, unlike sea lions, have much shorter front flippers, and as a result, they look rather funny on land. So right now, Pedro's going to show us what a true seal looks like on land. And how do they move, Pedro? Look at that, pretty good imitation of a true seal. Now, did you know that sea lions have very special hind flippers that rotate from left to right, allowing them to move easily on land? As you can see, a couple of spins right there. A little shuffle from left to right, and a roll over. You know what, guys? Let's give it up once again for our superstar. His name is Pedro. Now, you've seen how strong his flippers are. You've seen how easily he moves on land. Would you like to see how fast he can swim? Okay, one more time. Would you like to see how fast he can swim? Much better. Alright, Pedro, you heard them. Let's show us your fast swim. Pedro, no need to be shy. It's just a fast swim. Rachel, what is going on?
Pedro says he doesn't want to swim.
He doesn't want to swim. Why?
He said earlier on he saw something big, something scary in the pool.
Something big and scary in the pool? Nonsense, Pedro. I'm looking at the pool right now. There's nothing big and scary. You know what? If you don't believe me, I'll ask everyone here. You guys see anything big and scary in the pool? No, right? Pedro, come on. Let's go into the pool and do your fast swim. Look at that. He does not believe any one of you. He has to check for himself. Alright, Pedro, if you think that the coast is clear, you can turn up. Is there a shark? Pedro, if there's a shark, he will treat you for dinner. Come on, turn up the speed. Everybody, sea lions have been trained by the US Navy SEAL for search and rescue mission. So right now, we're gonna play a little game with Pedro, but before that, I need the help of a brave young volunteer. Anyone?